Hello, my name is Sharko, and today we'll be opening the 2018 September Boosterbricks box. So the Boosterbricks box is basically a story with 5 different challenges. We have the premiere, which is a spaceship. We have the micro build, which is an escape pod. And the spotlight piece of the month would be which will be the minifig planet, and the minifigure, which is going to be Ambassador Spot, and we have the blindfold, which is the spaceship's keypad, and all the way down here at the bottom we have the sticker, Galaxy one, more like a nebula.
Okay.
And that is what we have for the challenges.
What challenge are you going to start on?
Well, before you're going to have to read the thing.
So what do you do with the book?
Well, there's a story in it, and you read it, and when it says to do the challenge, you do the challenge. Would you like to read that?
How do you know when there's a challenge?
There's going to be a little red brick.
So far away in a brick galaxy lived 3 little space pilots, fresh out of Boosterbricks Space Academy. The 3 were eager to begin their careers in the Boosterbricks space program from the galaxy safe from harm, and today was assignment day. Fig was the youngest of the 3. He was assigned to the BBS KFOL. It was a small lime-colored ship, but lightning fast. Brixel was next to be assigned. She was assigned to an electric blue ship called the BBS TFOL and was a bit larger than Fig, slightly more equipped. Studs was the eldest, top of her class, and her ship has many colors and was by far the largest and most equipped of the 3. Using your pieces in the Premier Challenge Pack, build the BBS AFOL spaceship.
Okay, so that's the first one.
So it sounds like it has to have lots of equipment and buttons.
This one.
So we'll take a look at some of the pieces here in the box.
I think this is the coolest one, though.
Oh, Lego piece, okay.
Not really too much, though. We have part of a window.
Pretty much the kit is a bunch of random pieces that everybody gets that are different, and you have to put something together to form the spaceship out of these random pieces. We're going to pause right now and be right back after the ship is built. Hold on.
So we did the BBS AFOL spaceship. This was what we could do.
Okay, let me get a good picture of it.
Because we didn't really get any pieces, so we'll find good ones. Put stuff here.
And go on. You can continue reading the story. The trio dreamt of traveling the galaxy, saving small animals and trees, catching space pirates, and more.